We are shadows on the run, turning faces to the sun. Every momentary array, the only constant is change. Rivers flow, the seasons turn. Through the fire we still learn. Nothing ever stays the same. The only constant is change. We are falling, we are free, lost in time infinity. Every heartbeat redefined. The only constant is change. What if the night never ends? What if I lose? What if I bend? Every shadow hides my name. The mother of all fears is the same. What if I stay? What if I fall? What if I can't?